This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum, and here are 5 ways you can use it. Use it as a serum. Since this is a very lightweight serum, you can take 1 drop and apply it all over your face. Doesn't matter what skin type you have. This serum can penetrate 10 layers into your skin and give in hydration. Layer up the serum. Since this is so lightweight and water-like, you can use this and layer up at least thrice. So just go ahead, take a pump of it, apply it on your face, and then go ahead and take another pump and then another pump and keep layering. The Koreans like to even use this 7 times, but I don't think I have the time for that. Use it to boost up your sheet mask. You can use this as a serum before you apply your sheet mask. It's going to boost it up, it's going to enhance the hydration, and you can mix it with any sheet mask that you have. Use it as a primer. Because this is so lightweight and very hydrating, you can apply it before you apply any foundation, and this is going to make sure that your foundation glides on really well. As a liquid highlighter. And lastly, you can also use this to enhance any highlighter that you have or turn any powder highlighter into a liquid highlighter. You can take a drop of it and apply it on the high points of your cheek. You can just leave it on its own and it's going to give you that really glass-like finish, or you can go ahead and top it with a little bit of highlighting powder and it's going to get rid of that powdery finish and you're going to get like that very dewy skin-like radiance. This is Innisfree India's latest launch, the Hydro Rocket Green Tea Seed Serum. This is called the Hydro Rocket because it instantly penetrates into the 10th layer of your skin. This is a Hydrolock because it preserves a long-lasting moisture with moisture barrier, and a Hydro Sponge because this gives you twice as much hydration power when layered on thrice versus any cream. So those are the 5 ways you can use this product. As you can tell, it is very lightweight, extremely versatile, and one of my favorite products from Innisfree. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I have linked it down below for you guys if you want to check it out. And I really hope this video was helpful, fun, and you learned something from it. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!